Well, it is time to have some science fun with our friends from the Hands-On Discovery Center. Today's lesson and theme is hydrophobic properties. Here to explain are Chrissy Worth and John Kreckelberg with the Hands-On Discovery Center. I was so excited when you guys sent that over. I was like, ooh.
It's a big word,
hydrophobia. That is hydrophobia.
Yeah.
So basically, hydrophobia is?
It can loosely translate to the fear of water, but essentially it means substances or chemicals that don't bond with water, don't attach to water molecules. And there's some pretty cool phenomena, some tricks that you can do with that.
That is really fun.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we're starting with Chrissy on this side.
Yes.
Just two little things here.
Just two little things. Very simple activity we're going to do. We have just a cup of water and some cinnamon. So what you're going to do is you're going to just pour a whole bunch of cinnamon on top of that water.
Okay.
And then you are going to very slowly stick your finger.
Look, it doesn't even go into the water.
Yes, you can see the separation of the two because that cinnamon is scared of that water. It's hydrophobic, so you can see it. So if you want to try it with me, you're going to stick your finger very slowly in and then just pull it right back out.
Oh,
and your finger is not wet.
It's covered in cinnamon, but it's not wet.
I do love cinnamon.
Yes, so that cinnamon has coated your finger, has protected you from that water because it is hydrophobic.
So we just stayed in the cinnamon even though we were dipping into the water.
That's right. It just coated it. It didn't let you touch that water.
Yeah.
So a nice little coat.
My finger is completely dry.
Yep.
Oh, that's crazy. The kids are going to love that.
Yeah, it's really fun. Very simple with ingredients that you should have in your house probably every day.
And what did we learn? Cinnamon doesn't like water.
Yes, exactly.
It's going to stay on the top.
That's right.
All right, we're making our way over to John.
Kind of keeping in
you
theme of
have?
hydrophobia. I have here 3 plates. They're kind of deep plates. They're not like flat surfaces because we want them to hold a fair amount of milk, which milk, the main ingredient, is water. So we're using milk because it's easier to see the activity that we have set up here.
Okay.
In this middle plate, what I would like you to do is take that pepper shaker here and just start peppering our plate of water. Sounds like a very strange recipe, but trust me, trust me.
Little water.
More.
Oh,
So,
lots of pepper.
yeah, similar to our cinnamon, those little pepper granules are floating on top of the milk. The reason for this is, well, they're kind of hydrophobic too. They're not going to mix in, but the milk, and technically water, has a special property called surface tension. The molecules of water stick together, that's perfect, and create kind of a film, kind of like a layer that the pepper is able to float on, just kind of sit in a layer of pepper.
Yeah.
But here comes the fun part. In this little bowl here, I have some dish soap. We're just going to dip a Q-tip in, and when you place it in the center of the milk, it is going to break that surface tension because soap has a hydrophobic part to the molecule. Watch what happens to all these little pepper flakes here in 3, 2, 1. Whoop.
Oh
my goodness! all those water molecules in the milk start pulling away from that soap, and you get kind of this cool starburst effect.
Oh my goodness!
But it's not super colorful. We can take it one step further. On these side plates here, we're going to add some food coloring. Just take some food coloring and just go crazy.
Okay.
And here we get into our color theory. These colors are going to mix together. So think about what colors we're going to make when maybe blue and red mix together.
Okay.
And again, they kind of sit where they are right now because we have a stationary plate of milk. But when we add our little Q-tip with dish soap, we are again going to break the surface tension, get the milk flowing, and we'll watch what happens.
Oh, look.
Add one more color there.
This
pretty,
is just
pretty,
too
pretty.
fun. I mean,
it's already beautiful, lovely. But go ahead and grab a Q-tip and place it right in the middle. In 3, 2, 1.
Oh my goodness!
Those colors spiral out, and especially with gel food coloring, you almost get a lava lamp effect where it's kind of like flowing up from the middle, and it'll keep going for several minutes. Now, unfortunately, once you dip one Q-tip in, you break the surface tension, you can't reuse the milk. So you'll have to dump it, rinse it out, add a fresh layer of milk,
And
but
probably not
endless
best
fun.
for a bowl of cereal afterwards.
I probably
real
wouldn't drink it
colorful.
because it is soapy milk, but it's still fun and beautiful.
Gotcha, gotcha. That was just so cool. And we learned so much about cinnamon and milk and peppers and using those.
Hydrophobia.
hydrophobia.
Exactly right.
Okay, very cool. You guys have a fun event coming up that the kids love every year.
Yep.
You do this, the Dino Egg Hunt.
Yep, it's this Friday from 9 to noon. And it's going to be so fun as always. It's really elevated this year, so if you've been in years past, think of it as, you know, super, super extra fun this year.
Ooh.
Yes, we have vendors coming in, including the Johnson City Library is going to have a little dino library set up in our museum, so it's going to be so fun. The Gray Fossil site has awesome tables going to be set up too, so we're very excited.
Wow, so it's a group effort this time.
Oh, absolutely.
Going
Yes.
all out.
Yes.
And of course, a lot of people coming into town, Easter weekend, you've got family coming in. What a wonderful spot to take the kids
Absolutely.
and learn some really cool things and have a whole lot of fun.
Have a lot of fun and learn something accidentally along the way.
Accidentally, yes. And I learned so much today. And look at our beautiful
They
plates
are
full of color.
gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Well done.
I know. We did a great job.
It's like we
And
practiced that.
who would have thought? Pepper and cinnamon. Yes, exactly. All right, we're going to give everybody the information. Don't forget that Dino Egg Hunt is coming up Friday morning. Lots of information you can call or go on their website to learn more. Scan that QR code and, of course, visit handson.org for more information on all the activities happening there at the Hands-On Discovery Center. John and Chrissy, once again, thank you.
Thank you.
Had a ball. We'll be right back.